Hi guys, welcome to my channel SAP Lobby. Those who did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Today we'll discuss on the difference between normal batch and documentary batch. What is the documentary batch? How it differentiates from the normal batch. In production, we generally use the batch number, that is one of the unique number in SAP for a bunch of product. So in one lot, when you produce a bunch of product in one lot, which have the similar characteristic, then we are giving one specific number, that is batch number. Okay, and that batch number assigned to that inventory. When you identify the inventory, you identify with that batch number, and that is also used for traceability. Okay, so like if you look at this in this picture, you receive the raw material with some batches. So you have received the different lot of raw material. So for different lot, you will have the different batch number. So when you consume that material, raw material, you will also consume with that batch number. You will consume that inventory with that batch number. Even when you produce the finished material, that finished material, if it is, that is also you are using the batch number for that. So that stock of finished material also can be stored with batch number. Okay, so this is the normal batch management process with inventory. Okay, now documentary batch. In documentary batch, what happened? Batch you will use, but that will not assign to your inventory. That will not assign to inventory, but that batch can be used for traceability. Okay, so that is like when you receive the material, that batch is used as an additional information, and when you issue that material, that time or issue or consume that material, you have to give that number. You have to record that documentary batch. So that batch number will be used for traceability. And also, like when you suppose you are creating the inbound delivery or outbound delivery for to deliver the material to the customer, then in case of outbound delivery also, you will get the some field to maintain the batch, the documentary batch number. Okay, now what is the difference between your batch and documentary batch? So normal batch stock will be available because it will be assigned to one of your inventory, but documentary batch do not assign to your inventory. So there is no stock available with this inventory. I mean, like physically your material stock will be there, but that will not tag with the documentary batch number. Okay, and then second is class. For normal batch, you generally have to assign to class assignment class, but in case of documentary batch, no need to assign any class assignment. That is not needed for to assign the class. So in case of batch function, normal batch, you will have the mechanism to batch search. Batch search procedure is there, but in case of documentary batch, there is no batch search. Okay, so there is no mechanism to search the documentary batch. Now next is like what are the process? There are different processes, but which process are eligible for use the documentary batch? So one is your good receipt. During good receipt, it is possible to use the documentary batch information. Stock transfer, you can't use the documentary batch. In manufacturing order itself, suppose you create production order, there you can't assign your documentary batch. Okay, good receipt or issue of the production, that time it is possible to, like suppose you are doing the production under confirmation and your backflush is activated for the component. So during that goods issue you can give the your documentary batch information. In sales order there will be no content or to use the batch number. You can't assign the batch number to sales order. But during picking for delivery for the customer, that time you can give the batch number for either picking or return from delivery from customer, okay, or any and return delivery from stock transport order when you do the return delivery. So basically for picking up delivery or to return delivery you can assign the batch documentary batch. Okay, so there are limitation of using the documentary batch for the receipt. Okay, but mostly like suppose because you are generally you are using you batch for the traceability. So here we can use that for traceability. Even you can use this information for during good receipt or goods issue and also during delivery. Okay, so this is the documentary batch. Now let me go to the SAP and I will show you I will show you the some config where it generally documentary batch is the config. SPRO batch management. Okay. In documentary batch, okay. Sorry, here you have the documentary batch document under the batch logistic general under logistic general there is batch management. Under batch management documentary batch, in documentary batch you have to active the documentary batch. So here now it is currently inactive. You can active your, if you want to use, you can active the documentary batch. Okay, then so in standard documentary batch can be activated based on the metal type, metal type. But but like if your business functional business process is not to activate the batch on metal type, you want to do the on the specific of metal level. I mean, instead of doing the activate the using the batch on the metal type, you want to use on metal level. For the particular metal you want to use the documentary batch. For that you need to assign activate one body. So I'll give you the details. Okay, so there you have to assign this body. One second. So you have to do the some config in the system, like you have to active this body. So as per the standard functionality, you can active the documentary at the metal type level. But if you want to active or do the changes as per your business specific changes, I mean you want to activate the documentary batch as per your business functionality, and then in that case you have to activate this body, so for the business specific functionality. Okay, suppose now you have the document standard document batch is in based on material type. So if you want to override that, then you have to use this method product underscore change. So there you can customize based on your business process. Similarly, like suppose the process you want to some change the process during which you want the documentary batch, then you have to use this process method process underscore change. Okay, so there are like different methods are bodies under this body. These are different methods are there. So like suppose you want to override the creation batch master, you want to create the batch master for which metal you want to active the active the material batch documentary batch for the particular material. You want to create the batch master automatically. Okay, so in this case you have to use this method batch master underscore create. Okay, so there are, as per standard functionality, SAP is giving the documentary batch per metal type. But if business is not business want to activate that for material per particular material, then you have to use this body and methods for documentary batch. Okay, so currently these are the enhancement in your system. It will be in enhancement. So these are not tested, this is theoretical. Okay, so my request is to test it before you implement. So if it is like it is addressing your business requirement or not, you need to test it this method. Okay, so this is the all about difference between normal batch and documentary batch. Hope you like this video. If you like, please like and subscribe the channel to get the more informative videos. Thank you for watching.